In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a store, products, and categories to your Weebly website. Whether you're a small business owner or simply someone looking to dive into the world of e-commerce, this step-by-step guide will ensure you set up your online store with ease. Let's get started, shall we? First off, head over to Weebly's homepage. You'll need to log into your account or create one if you haven't already. Once you're in, look towards the upper right corner of the screen and click on My Site. This is where you'll manage everything related to your Weebly sites. If this is your first time setting up a store, you'll want to select Add Site. This option lets you begin building your online presence. When prompted, make sure to select I need a website with an online store to ensure your site is geared towards e-commerce. Next, you'll see a space to type in your store name. Choose a name that resonates well with your brand and the products you're selling. After you've settled on a name, click Continue to move forward. The setup will ask a few questions to tailor the site to your needs, one of which is whether you're currently selling. If you're already in the market, click Yes, I'm currently selling. Otherwise, there may be options to plan for future sales. If you plan to sell exclusively online, select I'm selling online only. There are other sales channels you might consider in the future, but for now, sticking with online is straightforward and helps keep things simple. Now, it's time to choose the type of products or services you intend to sell. This could range from physical items to digital goods or services. Make your selection based on what fits your business model best. Each choice can offer different customization options down the line. After selecting your type of product, you'll proceed by clicking Continue. This forwards you to a few location-based questions which are crucial for configuring currency and shipping settings among other details. Once all that is squared away, you'll click Design Now. Here you can choose a template for your website. Weebly offers a variety of design options to match your brand aesthetics, so take time to preview a few templates before making a decision. With all this setup complete, it's time to start editing. By clicking Start Editing, you'll be able to drag and drop elements, placing them on your site where you see fit. Explore different features like adding product pages, setting up categories, and personalizing your site with your brand's unique content and images, and there you have it, a fully set up store on your Weebly website. Remember, the beauty of using a platform like Weebly is its flexibility and user-friendliness, allowing you to easily make updates as your business grows. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!